I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through.
BASSWITHKEV out the house. We got him.
Looking good in here.
Put all this up. That's casual. Be all right. Yeah, we were having RCA issues, so we had to dig them out.
They had to work it out.
Yeah, we had some, but
He's getting the job done.
she cracked that 62. That's her first 60, so she's really happy.
Oh yeah, most definitely.
Okay. She was just asking about you. I said, don't worry about it. BASSWITHKEV told me he's coming here to band. Hold on, let me get this here. Okay, so
We got a whole lot of new money though.
They come in your game.
You got one right there. She got one right there. She got one right there.
I told her, Mama Boom, I slanging.
Yeah, she's slanging them. I so appreciate it. What y'all running in here?
About 9:50 to 15 bucks.
Okay. Version 2?
Yep.
Okay.
Brazilian sound.
Yep.
B1 plus drop in. Yeah. Powers, 3 powers, 13 fives. And Mama Boom's truck. What'd you name his truck?
Black Beauty.
Black Beauty.
Yeah.
She's sexy. She had to have it.
Oh yeah, she nice. She nice.
Come and slinging.
Oh yeah. It was good seeing y'all.
Hey, she got them eyes watching.
I was wondering what was going on over here. It was good seeing y'all. Mama Boom and Shannon Boom. Boom family. Thank y'all.
Thank you, y'all. Have a great day.
Y'all too. What's going on, man?
Not much, kid.
Man.
And no, my truck ain't done it.
Y'all sitting back here like you're tired.
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right. Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.